Welcome back to another video. It is Sarah Michaels here. This is another one of our Style It Yourself Wix DIY website design. Sure, one second. I just realized that I'm getting down there. My laptop is not charged enough. And yes, we are hanging out on my bed. It is a snow day. I have no makeup on today because I just did a face mask. So we're just going to roll with it. Okie dokie. So in this video, I want to show you how you can link a button on your website for then someone to click and to be able to then go to like your booking or whatever. So what I'm actually showing you right now is a page on my site where I have created occasionally I will give out the ability for someone to book a consultation with me for free for 1 hour. It's like a $497 value. So here is how I do this. Okay. So whether the button is on your main page, it's on a lead capture page, wherever that button is or that link that you're putting there. So maybe you even want one of these, buttons, if you've added those or selected a template to the top of your header, you'll notice that each button has a link on it. Okay, so whenever you're linking a button to go to your bookings calendar, first of all, you want to make sure that you've added the booking capabilities to your website. So if you haven't yet followed that module or that section inside of Style It Yourself, make sure that you go in and do that, and how to set up your bookings and all that fun stuff. So you'll add a bookings to your site. If you haven't done that yet, just go down here to the plus sign. That'll bring up the elements menu, and then click on the bookings tab. And it'll say like add this to your site, and then what it'll do is it'll actually add this element to your website. So then bookings will show up right here. Okay. And also on your site menu. So you can see that because I have added bookings, it says bookings pages right here. Alternatively, if you go to your main site menu down here, you'll notice somewhere that there's a page where it says book online and it's got that little calendar. That is also your bookings page. So when you click on that page, actually, that's not what I want. I want bookings pages. That is it. My bad. Okay, so as you can see here, when I click on the site menu tab, what it brings up, I want to bring up my sample form, by the way. Okay, so now what I want to do is go ahead and click on, hold on, my bookings pages, and I want to select. So from the site menu, it's not under this site menu, it's in that like blue area. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the wheel that pops up after I kind of hover over that. I want to click on this, okay? And then I want to click on the bookings checkout. So I'm going to hover over it. And as you can see, this is going to bring me up to, here we go, the SEO Google. All right, so this is where it says, this is like the book online URL, okay? So if I go to this URL, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So you have to publish your site first. So your site has to be live before you can grab this URL. I do want to grab this. Now here is why. So as you can see, when I click on this link right here, it's bringing me up to my bookings page on my calendar. It's a private page. It's hidden from my main site. Not just anyone can get in here and book a consultation with me. So when someone does book a consultation, you have to figure out, okay, do I want that little button to go to my main thing where it, brings up all my services? Or do I want it to go to a specific service? So if you want that button to link to a specific consultation or a free consultation or a specific service, you're going to want to go ahead and select that from the Book Online Now tab. So I'm going to go ahead and pull up the 60-minute consultation here. Now, as you can see on the top of my page here, This is the link that I want to grab to be able to link that button to a specific consultation with me that's not available anywhere else. Okay, so this makes sure that I'm grabbing that specific link. So one more time, just so I show you how to get there. So if you go to the main page for all of your bookings and services, okay, wherever that's at, and you can find that when you go hover over this in your site menu, bookings pages, bring up the SEO, and then this right here is where you'll always be able to find those links. So I know that my site is sarahmichaels.com, and then it's going to say /book online. All right, so I went to that URL, and when I clicked on this service, this is where it brings me up to the direct URL for that specific service that I'm going to link to on the other page. Okay. So once I've selected this, I click twice and I'm going to click Command C. That's going to allow me to copy it. Now I need to go back to the site menu and I need to go to the, I'm going to rename this. All right, this is my free consultation page. And then what I can do is I can link this button. I'm going to go ahead and click link. I'm going to say web address. It won't work to use a page for this specific function because the page, if you send it to a page, it's just gonna take them directly to the book online or the calendar checkout. It's not actually going to take them to that specific service. So this is where if you're doing any kind of like a free consultation or you want a specific button to link to a specific service, this is where you kind of have to figure out what the URL is and then do that. So we're going to click on web address and I'm going to use my keyboard shortcut of Command V. You can also just click on paste and then I'm going to click on done. Now, as you can see, what I've done and what I've set up here on this page is I went in and I added a coupon to this page. Obviously, I X'd it out for the purpose of this video because, yeah, I just did because I don't give this out to just anyone. So I X'd out the coupon code, but I went ahead and I gave this to them. So that way, because normally if you go to book a 1 hour consultation with me, it's $497. And that is even a pretty, I'm probably actually going to start charging more. So yeah, so this is a 1 hour, 60-minute consultation with me. We go in, we can, troubleshoot anything, life, business, funnels, what have you. But I add a coupon so that way at the checkout, only people who use that link can get that consultation for free. So you could add a free consultation to your services, or you can, put whatever your regular rate is and then go create a coupon that can only be used at the bookings checkout. My gosh, my brain is like, mer, mer, mer. I've recorded so much content today. It's crazy. So I hope that answers your question. If you have any questions, go ahead and let me know. We can troubleshoot that live in one of our Q&A sessions. If this video is helpful and you happen to be watching this anywhere, maybe you found it on YouTube, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. That helps other people find the content. And if you haven't yet already, there are 2 things that can help you. I highly recommend if you are looking for more in-depth help with your Wix website, that you go ahead and hop into the Style It Yourself course. I do have, multiple payment plans and options for you if that's something that you're interested in. Otherwise, What the Tech is both of those acts. If you're a member or a student of either one of those, you get access to our weekly Wednesday live training and Q&A sessions where I do troubleshooting, screen shares, and I really kind of help walk you through whatever is going on in your tech life and business. So thank you so much for tuning in. I hope it was helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in a video and hopefully in one of our courses or What the Tech membership community. Thanks so much. See ya.